Hey everybody, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. Today I want to talk to you about wood burning stoves. I have a couple of examples of stoves that you can order through our website, or many of our local retailers do stock and carry this. This is a unique product line because for many across the country, it's a great solution for heating your home using a renewable resource, and that's wood. It actually specifically uses wood pellets. These wood pellets that you can buy to feed these wood-burning stoves. The amount of heat that's generated off of these is amazing. They range, just like any kind of furnace, in BTUs. This particular unit you see right here, kind of an interesting looking unit from US Stove, actually both of these are from US Stove, is a 40,000 BTU unit and can heat up to a 2,000 square foot space. Really what happens is you've got a hopper up top on this particular unit right here, and it'll hold all that pellets right here, up to 40 pounds of pellets to feed the unit. This more traditional looking one here has a hopper in the top as well, another large area to fill. And they do have to be vented, they have to be installed properly and safely, so you absolutely have to follow the manufacturer's recommendation. You can get a professional to do all this installation, but if you are a confident do-it-yourselfer, you can absolutely do it yourself. The real benefit behind these wood-burning stoves is the fact that they are very economical to operate. There are many parts of the country that use these as their primary heat source for a home. Keep in mind, because they're wood burning and there's fire inside of them, these units do get warm. So it's very important that you place them in an area that is safe, and that if you have children in your home, that you teach them the proper precautions to stay away from the units. But if you're looking for a way to economically heat your home in a fun and inventive way, then check out the wood-burning stoves that you can find at your participating Ace hardware store.